Can I ask about your hometown?
Yes, my hometown is Dhamrai, which is located in Dhaka district. It's far like 40 kilometers from Dhaka. It's a little city, also full of traditional and culture. Because it's very popular for its biggest Rath Jatra, which is held every year, and it's biggest Rath Jatra in whole Bangladesh also, and it's also famous for its handicraft because many kind of people has come here to buy handicraft item like churi and also like guitar and many other things that are very popular. And also Dhamra is a peaceful city also because there's no big industries, so they are full of peace and also full of trees. That's why it's like very well for everyone to live here. And what about your hometown?
My hometown name is Nawabganj. It's located from Dhaka district. Nawabganj is famous for its old landlords' houses and palaces for the Nawabs. At the past, there are lived many Nawabs, and that's why our area's name is Nawabganj. The greatest poet Kaikobad also born in our area, Nawabganj. The biggest river Podda flows besides our area. The Podda river makes our land very fertile and beautiful. There are many small rivers like Isamuti and Kaliganga. Kaliganga river's water is very clean and very blue fill. Like it's a very clean river in our area, in our Nawabganj, and our area is also famous for its very most important place like named Moinot Ghat. Moinot Ghat is very popular for our area. People called Moinot Ghat like mini Cox's Bazar. Almost all houses in our area, there are at least one person living abroad. Our area's air is very fresh. Our area is also green. Like that. If you want to visit our area, then you will come. I will invite you.
And you also most welcome to visit my hometown. Thank you.
Okay.